What's going on, everyone? Got a 2022 Toyota Prius, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote batteries.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of the remote here. To do that, there's a sliding switch right here. We're going to slide over, okay, and then we can pull the emergency key out of the bottom, okay. Now we're going to split this remote open, and I'm using a small flathead screwdriver. And if we look into the remote, right here is a little slot, okay. There's a little slot right here, and we're going to pry that, okay. This is the prying point, is this little slot right here. So hopefully you can see that right here, okay. Now we want to do this with the buttons facing down, because as soon as we do this, all these get loose and they can fall out. If you're doing it in the car like me, you don't want them to fall out all over the console and everything, so we're going to be kind of careful. All right, we don't want to put our thumb on this guy like this and hold all this together, because all this stuff's loose now. And if we notice, there's a little slot here. We use that little slot to pry the battery out, and I'll show you what size the new battery is, okay. So the new battery, the size is a CR2032, and notice the positive sign here is be facing outwards towards us. We put the new one in, okay. So it's going to go in pretty much like the top of the remote first, and then we just push it in. All right, need a battery? Check the description box. There's a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a battery for like $1. So if you need a battery, it's a good place to get it. Let's get the cover, start at the top, sandwich this guy together. Okay, you'll hear it kind of click and pop and everything like that. And you can get your emergency key, and if it goes in, we are done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.